Okay, so for ISE 2020, we've actually come with something really different this year. It was something we previewed to a few of our sort of trusted partners last year in a dark room at the back somewhere, hot and sweaty, and we showed a very rough proof of concept. And the proof of concept was a new, fairly radical idea for projection, whereby you take all the hot, noisy, heavy stuff, being the light source, out of the projector and put it somewhere else remotely, leaving a really elegant, very lightweight, but very powerful projection head, as we call it. And we've given this system a name now. It's called the Satellite MLS System, the modular light source. We've gone with an RGB laser, pure RGB laser light source, which gives us the most amazing, vibrant color space, something that you're more familiar with a direct view LED, for example. Yeah, so the real attraction of Satellite is the fact that, as I said before, we can take away all the bits that you don't want in the room, and we put them somewhere else. And who's that going to be beneficial to? There's some obvious ones, like the simulation guys that have very limited real estate, and they really do get bothered by the noise and the heat that a traditional projector will make in the room. But then there's the guys that are just having a lecture theatre, who've mounted their projector way up on the ceiling. And number one, mounting a 100-kilo projector 20 feet in the air is difficult. Servicing it is really difficult when you've actually populated the room. If that projector should fail, the show is over. It's a disaster. Whereas our modular approach means that if one of our light modules should fail, because we make 10,000 lumen blocks that you stack together, the show will go on. And then when you do come to service it, it's a simple one person go and remove a module from a standard rack, put a new one in, plug it in, go. The satellite heads, as we call them, the bit that does the image, steals the show, if you like, that will come in 3 different sizes. And those sizes, they're about the brightness they can handle. So we've got a 20, 30 and 40,000 head maximum brightness initially, and also the resolution. So we're going to go from WUXJ all the way up to 8K. And in addition to that, the different heads will allow you to do different frame rates. So you can go run some very fast frame rates, whether that's for adding dark time to do smear reduction in a simulator, or perhaps you want to do a multi-user VR environment. We've shown our HFR 360 projector in the traditional big platform. We can now do that in a head as well, just by adding some more cards.